if I went to the bank today to go and obtain finance, the rate that you could get me is exactly the same?
It should be. If
should be.
anything, you probably would get a better rate because they would direct you to the lender that has got the best rates to suit your circumstances. So
Right.
sometimes some of the lenders might, or sometimes people will apply for a loan and they want a much cheaper rate, but that lender won't give them that rate because their personal situation
because of whatever their
doesn't.
circumstances
Yeah,
are, which, as we know, is all completely different, isn't it?
Exactly.
So case by case.
It is
and you
case
can
by
really
case.
ascertain that for each
Yeah.
person and treat them as an individual, I
Yeah.
suppose, versus going to the bank where we sort of end up being a number,
Yeah.
I suppose. Yeah, yeah. And what about self-employed people?
Oh, there's a lot of different lenders for self-employed people. So where they only need 1 year's tax returns, some need 2, some of the lenders have got loans that are where they only need a letter from their accountant verifying their income.
Right, and you can
So-
help anyone with all those different types of employment situations.
Exactly.
So when we're talking about finance, Domi, we're not just talking about home loans, right? There's other areas of finance where you can assist.
Yeah, absolutely. So we do personal loans. So with personal loans, one of the things where your business really helps ours is that people that have got any kind of blemish can't get a personal loan.
Right.
Because it's unsecured, there's not really many lenders that will do that. So actually, I don't know any lenders that will lend on someone that's got a blemish. So
Right.
if you can get your credit cleaned, then you can apply for a personal loan again.
Yeah, so I guess the same would be for credit cards, maybe?
Credit cards as well, yep.
Right,
So personal loans and credit cards. With car loans, there are some lenders that will lend, but the differences in rates are like almost 10% in some situations.
Wow. Okay.
So it makes a massive difference.
Yeah, yeah. So by
Yeah.
removing a default or whatever it may
Or
be
a
off their
judgment,
credit,
yeah.
off their credit report, they can then obtain much better rates.
Yeah, much better.
Okay, no, that's interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or even just to be able to get the loan. So yeah,
Yeah,
it makes
if
it,
it's unsecured, they
Yeah.
wouldn't be able to get it.
no.
Yeah, unless they remove the blemish off their credit report.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.